Hello guys, we have two grassmen. One of this one from my son. This is Tony Stark. No hair. Very thick hair I have. I made this grassman. This is Mulayim with a lot of hairs. How we did grassman? Okay guys, first we dig it, we buried grass seeds in the soil, in this cube or in this material, this yellow material, plastic material. This is cap. Inside this cap there is soil, and we dig it and place it grass seeds inside the soil. After 7 days we made grassman with hair. You see, this is Mulayim and this is Grassman. Also, this is another Grassman from my son. Name it Tony Stark. With no hair. Mine. This is mine with a lot of hairs. This is Grassman. Name it Mulayim. We draw cartoon. Grass is hair of this cartoon. I love this. We buried grass seeds. We placed grass seeds inside the soil, inside this plastic cap. So after 7 days, we have beautiful grassman. I love the touch hair of grassman. And also we will cut hair of our grassman because grass hairs are too long, so we have to cut grass man's hairs. We will arrange hairstyle. We need to cut hair of grassman. How we cut? We have scissor. I will arrange or make style for my grassman. You see, excessive hair. I cut excessive hairs from back side and the top. I'm not coiffeur. I'm not hair styler, but I try my best. Okay, I cut the top of the hair and excessive hair. I cut. Okay, beautiful hair. Now already he has. I give him style, hairstyle, new hairstyle. It is better than last. Yes, we cut hair of my grassman. Seems better. It's great. Oh. Okay. Now my hairstyle is finished, almost finished for my grassman. Okay, now my son will cut his grassman. I will record. This is Tony Stark, my son's favorite hero. But unfortunately, he hasn't got enough hair. No hair, grassman. He has. My son is making hairstyle for his grassman. Finito. Okay, our Grassman hairstyle is finished. We tried our best. Now seems better. This is Mulayim, Grassman finito. This is Tony Stark, no hair. Less hair, we can say. Finito. See you later. See you later. Take care. Finito.